Hi, I'm Tiffany Daniels, a certified lymphatic massage therapist and wellness coach. Today, I am going to be talking to you about this area of the body. If it's been impacted by cancer, if you've had reconstruction, you've had surgery, lymph nodes removed, cancer or chemotherapy and radiation, where you don't have your lymph nodes all intact, and you need to help with swelling, I'm going to show you how to use a facial dry skin brush to assist with this. Okay, we're also going to use a regular body brush as well. Handheld works great for this area of the body. So you want to start here with circles just under the clavicle, going towards the armpit, unless that armpit has had lymph nodes removed also, then you would come across the other way. I have mine, so I'm going to go towards the armpit. 3 to 5 minutes. We're going to pretend that this is the side that has the neck lymph nodes removed, okay, in the face for today. So 3 to 5 minutes. Then we're going to switch to our facial dry skin brush, again natural bristles, and we're going to come, and we would normally come down this way, but instead we're going to push back. And before we do that, we're going to come behind the base of the neck to the anastomosis point here. And so you can do this if you can reach. If not, have a long handled brush so that you can reach this point and stimulate this area 3 to 5 minutes. And you can be a little bit more aggressive with this point than the front. So 3 to 5 minutes has magically passed, right, on the video. Pause if you want, and I'm going to continue on with the neck area. So now we're going to push back towards the back of the neck. And we're going to cover I'm going to remove this earring. We're going to cover all 3 strokes, or however long your neck is. Okay, so 3 minutes per point. And you're just coming across. You will see some redness and blood flow coming in, or softening if it's been radiated. Okay, then you want to come and make an L. So what I do is I do 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm coming across the top and down, across the middle and down, across the lower and down. 3 to 5 minutes. And you could put music on and do a song, or you can put a timer on. You can have a show on once you get this down to make it, enjoyable and not monotonous as you repeat, because the consistency is key for the benefit. Okay? Then we're going to come across. We're going to come up all the way up past this area to the eye area. Three minutes, say 3 minutes, unless you have a large amount of fluid already collected here, then do 5 for sure, but 3 to 5, but 3 is generally okay because we're going to do it in multiple directions. Okay. Three minutes here. Then we're going to come across. So this is across to the other end of the lip. Okay, let's clear this side. This is the normal side. So we're going to come straight down. We remove the earring again. Get that out of the way. Three to 5 minutes here. Then we're going to bring that, do some circles. Up. Okay. You may want to do that twice. Circle. And always clean your brush, your facial brush, in between uses. Soap and water, or you can put it in apple cider vinegar. If you want to do more natural, you can put it in hydrogen peroxide and then let it dry. In the sun on the windowsill was ideal to let it dry. Okay, so if you have puffiness, it should be here. Should not be up here, but we like to take care of the whole face. Okay, and again, we've got to bring it down into the back. That's the key, is bringing it down into the back. Top, middle, lower, that L shape. Get all the way to the back of the neck and down. I don't want you to miss that since I'm doing it a little bit fast. Make sure you get that movement across and down. You want to come in front. This is your SEM when you turn your head. You want to start in front of that. Go to the back of the neck and down. Down lower. Go to the middle. And then the lower. Okay, and you should feel some drainage, some movement, some invigoration, definite blood flow for this side of the area where you've worked, okay? And then you go back to the body brush, and we're gonna do this area just behind the back of the neck. Just behind the back of the neck. Sorry, you may not have caught that, but we're coming behind the neck. 3 to 5 minutes. Okay? And then you can finish again stimulating under the clavicle. Nice 3 minutes there. 5 if you have the time. And then you can finish with the rest of the body as normal, okay? But again, if you have compromised, if it's just the neck, you're still gonna want to, when you come up to the armpit, you're probably gonna want to come across this anastomoses here the other armpit. Just depends on how much of the neck is impacted by your treatments, okay, and surgeries. I hope this is helpful. If you have questions, just ask below in the comments. Please like and subscribe for more videos and updates as they become available. I'm Tiffany Daniels with Beyond Relief Massage and Wellness. Have an awesome day.